Stop waiting for fluency. Maybe you know a lot of English words, but when you are about to speak, your mouth freezes. You translate in your head and everything is slow. It feels like years. Right? Wrong. I'm giving you the exact plan that helped me start speaking confidently and fluently and smoothly in English. It's not years, it's just 7 days. Yes, a 7 days plan. This is the ultimate 7 days plan to start speaking English fluently. I'm going to give you the exact plan, the exact thing to do on day 1, day 2, all the way to the end. But you need to watch this video until the end for day 7. Day 7 is the secret that pulls everything else together. If you skip day 7, nothing works. This is the plan you have been searching for. Let's go. Let's start with your foundation. Day 1, the sound day. For this day, your goal is simple. Just listen and copy. Get a simple audio clip, a YouTube short, or a simple news clip that is just 30 seconds long. Now, use the shadowing method we talked about earlier. Listen and then speak over it at the exact same time. Do this for just 15 minutes. Here you are not learning any new words today. You are just training your mouth to make English sounds and copy the rhythm or the beats correctly. This is the base of your house. Day 2, the sentence day. Today you stop thinking about simple words. No more simple or single words. You will practice using whole sentences. Find 5 simple sentences about your day, like I'm eating breakfast right now, I'm teaching English right now, or I need to go shopping later. Now, put a timer for 10 minutes and repeat those 5 sentences out loud in different ways. Say them happily, say them sadly, and say them like you are angry. You can do it. I am eating. I'm eating. I'm eating. See, you can say it in different sounds. Don't look at my expression. Listen to my sound. I can make different sound using my English. This exercise forces your brain to think directly in English without translating from your native language. Day 3, the label day. This is where you bring English into your world. Get a pen and small pieces of paper. Write the name for 15 simple things in your house. 15 simple things in your house. Door, chair, bed, books, sock, spoon, window, etc. Now stick the small pieces of paper, write the word on it and stick that small pieces of paper on these objects. Every time you see or touch that object, say the word out loud. Say that English word out loud. For 15 minutes today, talk to yourself using only these words. For example, I'm closing the door because it is cold. Okay, now what you have to do is stick the word door on that door. Okay, write the word door on a piece of paper and stick it on the door, and you try to talk to yourself using this word. Like, I'm closing the door, I'm touching the door, or I can see the door and I'm telling, please close the door, or I'm doing it myself, I'm closing the door because it is cold. This is how you practice using these objects. Day 4, the question day. A good conversation is not just saying things. It is asking questions. Today, you must learn 5 simple questions like, what are you doing, or how was your weekend? For 15 minutes, ask these questions to yourself in front of the mirror and answer these questions. This is a simple but very fast conversation practice. The goal here is to get comfortable asking and answering basic questions fast, which is the key to confidence. You should not just ask questions. You should also reply to those questions. If someone come and ask you a question, you should know how to reply to a basic question in English. Or if you saw someone familiar to you, you want to talk to them, you want to start a conversation, you can ask a question and start the conversation. You should know how to do it. That is what you are doing on this day, the question day. Day 5, the story day, an interesting day. Your task today is to tell a story. But remember, you should only use simple English. Choose a story about your last vacation or what did you eat yesterday. Stand up, look at your camera or stand in front of a wall and speak about that topic 2 minutes straight. The rule is do not stop. You should not stop. Even if you make a mistake, you should not stop. The goal here is not perfection or being perfect. The goal here is to keep that flow, not stopping. Day 6, the speed day. You might be imagining what's coming up. You have built your base and learned to talk about simple things. Today, you put on an English song or a short clip. Try to sing along or speak as fast as you can. This is a fun game. It forces your mouth and your tongue to move quickly in English. Do this for 10 minutes, but feel free to do it more if you have enough time. This is like an exercise for your mouth muscles. You made it to the most important day, day 7. Day 7 is the ultimate secret that makes this plan work and you cannot skip it. All the other days were about practice, but day 7 is reward and review. Part 1, the review. Sit down and find your recording from day 5. Now record a brand new 2-minute video of yourself talking about the same exact topic. Maybe something like your last vacation. Now watch both videos back to back. Do not criticize, judge your English. Just compare them. Notice how your flow, English flow, is better. Your sound is clearer and your ideas come out fast. This comparison is the review. It proves the plan works and it gives you the energy to keep going. Now we also have a part 2, that is a bonus tip. The biggest secret of all of this. You must schedule your practice time. If you don't schedule it, it won't happen. Do not just say, I will practice today. You must say, I will do the day 1 challenge from 7 o'clock p.m. to 7:15 p.m. Consistency is your true partner. If you don't keep a schedule or if you don't plan your day, you won't do it. For example, I am recording this video. If I just imagine in my mind like I will create an English learning video today. I'm not specifying any time, and what happens is I will sometimes get very lazy and I will end up not creating any videos. So it is better to plan your day, to schedule your practice time. Like I told you earlier, consistency is your true partner, but scheduling is what makes consistency possible. So scheduling is also very important. This plan will change your English in 1 week. I know it. You know it. This video is going to change millions of lives. Now, I need to know your commitment. Comment down below the exact time you will start day 1 of this plan. For example, write day 1 at 8 p.m. I want to see a promise. And if you are a fluent English speaker, tell a beginner watching this video a simple piece of advice in English. Any advice that helped you the most. If you're ready for fluency, hit that like button and click subscribe. We are going on this journey together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.